so clean, many cars I'm leaving. Burning up the road, tire smoking, I'm piecing. And I don't want your chick, she just a hoe looking decent. Seasoned with my style, hot, fresh like homemade. Catch you toe to toe, cause you ain't shit without your homies. Run up on me, think your boys got your back. I'll put you on your stomach with your boys on your back. Jimmy Stacks, motherfucker, if you talking about me. If ain't money involved, then you ain't talking about me. Rolling deep in the old school, yeah, that's me. AK out the window if y'all hoes got beef. And if I'm seen in the streets, I'm only talking in code. That's how I'm riding, jumping out and slamming old school doors. That's why these bitches probably on me like cologne in my clothes. Or it's the mirror shine rings that show your face in my chrome. I know.
Candy paint, metal flake, custom paint, bitch don't hate. Cause this is how a boss roll. 100 spoke, 20 inch, extra chrome, bitch I'm gone. Cause this is how a boss roll.
This is how a boss roll.
This is how a boss roll.
Yeah, I'm the boss.
This is how a boss roll.
You're talking to the boss.
This is how a boss roll. How a boss roll. Hard top, drop top, candy paint, metal flake.
Yeah.
Put it on my old school. 20 inch, 100 spoke, riding low, riding flat.
That's that
Fifth wheel in the back. Smell good on the mirror, TV's in the headrest. Wood grain on the dash, tell me can you match that? Plush seats in the back, that's where I get my head at. Riding late night, that's where I clear my head at. 22nd and Earn, that's where I get my bread at. You know you seen the fresh paint, midnight blue metal flake. Krager's on the 83, Delta 88, inside sway. You gon' hate when you see them blades. Chameleon paint, so the color always change. Pedal to the floor, switching lanes. With my speakers on bang. Candy paint, metal flake, custom paint, bitch don't hate. Cause this is how a boss roll. 100 spoke, 20 inch, extra chrome, bitch I'm gone. Cause this is how a boss roll. This is how a boss roll.
Yeah, I'm the boss.
This is how a boss roll.
Tell me who the boss.
This is how a boss roll. How a boss roll.